how to customize your calendar alert type light, medium or strong on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app, sorry, calendar app. Now here, so click on this three line icon and click on settings. Now in calendar settings, scroll down and you will see alert type is here, so click on alert type. So if you want to customize alert type, so you will see light, medium and strong is here. So if you want to set strong, so click on strong, you will see alert type is set on strong. So if you want to set medium, so click on medium, you will see alert type is set on medium. So if you want to set light, so click on light, you will see alert type is set on light. So after setting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can customize your calendar alert type on large, medium or strong on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.